The first way to access the Continuity of Education website is through the bit.ly. If you type the bit.ly into your web browser, it will take you directly to the Continuity of Education site. The second way to access the Continuity of Education site is through the Middle School Math 4th Quarter Scope and Sequence spreadsheet. This spreadsheet was shared with your school's math department, SALT. In this spreadsheet, you will see the Hyperdoc topics listed at the top, along with the grade levels listed at the bottom. In column E at the top, there is a link for the Continuity of Education site. When you click on this link, it will take you to the Continuity of Education teacher-facing page. Here we can find resources for middle school. If we scroll and click on LCPS Resources Middle, this will take us to the middle school page. It is recommended here that you now favorite this page for easy access. There is a friendly reminder at the top to make a copy of any resource that you use from this site. When we scroll to the bottom, we should see all of the different hyperdocs that were created for all of middle school. If you do not see the hyperdocs, you may need to allow access to something referred to as Awesome Table. To do this, simply click on it and allow access through your LCPS account. Once we see the hyperdocs, we can sort by class by clicking on the folders and selecting which topic we would like. Let's select Mathematics. This will pull up the different hyperdocs created by the math department. When we click on a sample hyperdoc, it will open the hyperdoc, but it will be in view-only mode. You will not be able to edit the hyperdoc here. As a reminder, you must make a copy of the hyperdoc. To do this, click on File and make a copy. You may notice in the hyperdocs highlighted yellow areas. These are special instructions for teachers to change the directions to fit the needs of their students. Here you can link things to your Google Classroom or certain things like creating a class code for a Desmos. For additional questions, you may contact Nicole Akers or Cynthia Brady at the emails provided on this screen.